Hello, everybody. Good morning, good day, good night, wherever and whenever you're watching my FM Signals show. FM Signals Info Show, of course. Another 24 hours technical analysis and synthesis at this morning, Central European time, on Friday morning. Of course, are only 23, 22 hours ahead, or 20 hours trading this week. So, analyze the stuff again. It's still yours tonight with the new Kiwi Chief. So, with the New Zealand dollar and Swiss franc. So, analyze the stuff again. It's still yours. Okay, traders, welcome. It's 1:14 in the morning, Friday morning, Central European time, of course. Or, for example, in New Zealand, it's 13:14 on Friday, midday, of course. Or in Zurich, Switzerland, 1:15. Yes. Since a few seconds. Okay, welcome. 50 minutes charts, New Zealand dollar chief. And we see here the last 3 weeks, or maybe 2 weeks, yes, 2 weeks. Here this upside trend, and then something like a consolidation, and nearly on top. And that's the basic signal, or the main, or the reason why I'm choosing the charts. Perhaps we can make some pips here, and perhaps, and let me tell you at once, perhaps my signal today is the hope that we can break out of this consolidation of this week and the end of last week. So, but step by step, I'm creating here. We see the upside trend, then here a turnaround, a great turnaround formation, and then here two spikes. Very interesting. What means that to me? At first, here a massive consolidation, okay, relative massive to this one here, and then we see here two short spikes. And interesting for me is that the second spike is lower than the third one, is lower than higher than the second one, and the second one is even a spike, another consolidation. So that means to me that the market participants are more bullish than bearish in this currency on the intraday basis, on the short term. And yes, perhaps we can get something a little bit breakout, even above actual prices. So let's go a step further. Here, yes, I'm creating here the something like a button, and here the upside trend. And interesting is, of course, too, that this bullish consolidation or bullish upside trend even is here at our target prices. So yes, it looks from the technical view very interesting. Okay. If we zoom a little bit, here we see here the consolidation, and here the spikes, shorter time frame. Here perhaps we see a much larger consolidation, sky blue, then shorter spike, here spike 2, and interesting is of course that the spike is even higher, the second spike, and here I said before, and spike and it not a consolidation, how to say in English, yes, okay. Okay, what to do or how to trade this? I'm creating here, yes, something like an upside trend here under this spike. Okay, the target should be here outside of this, and here I'm created something like yes, an upside trend, and I'm hoping to get this cross rate a little bit lower of course, and yes, and even go long, of course, and to see prices above the highs. The actually high was, even for a few minutes, the price goes up in the last 2 hours. So yes, perhaps I should create this, yes, after New York session at once. But I'm hoping here to count that in the next, or before European opens, we will see prices here and then go back. But if you don't want to wait, you can of course go long at once. I would prefer the long side, yes, and yes, accepting higher prices at this area, even in this area, about 0.7575. So yes, that's my target, my signal, and you can of course go long at once. And here on the underline, so right here right now is the area at how much is it? Yes, we can create here something like a stop at 75.25. No, not 22. One back. Yes, at 5. But I'm not sure. It's only a wish that the price comes back. I wouldn't be surprised if the price don't come back. So you can also go long at once and make here the stop by 75.50. Target, of course, is how to say, I don't know the English word. The target is here in this area, so at least, how to say, 0.75 and much more. So, and if we are creating even the stop here by 75, of course, 75.50 here. Okay, now since 5 pips, okay, a little bit larger perhaps. Now it's heavy volatilization. Right here, right now, here at 25.25, we've got 50 pips down. Much more space, and yes, hoping to see prices at once. I don't accept much higher prices, but perhaps then in ahead of the next week. So, but analyze the stuff again, it's still yours, however. And take respond, stay aware, and don't trade money if you can lose at once, yes, or ahead. So be prepared, of course. Alright, I'm over and out. And have a great weekend, of course.